Hey everyone, I'm Cameron,
And I'm Kieran, and we're math magicians.
and we're here to show you how to use mathematics, learn some new card tricks that you can show your friends.
And all it requires is a single deck of cards. If you could pick 3 cards for me, any 3 cards.
Alright.
Make sure to memorize them and show them to our friends here. Go ahead and place your first card on this pile right here for me.
Alright.
Now take as many cards as you want from this pile and put it on top of that one.
Got it.
Second card right here, sir. And as many cards as you want on top of this one. Third card right here. 4 stack on top of the third, on top of the second, and so on. Now, I want you to stop me to see your card at any point in time.
Alright.
Those were 3 cards, sir.
Whoa! How did you do that, Kieran?
Now, normally, a magician never reveals his secrets. Instead of that.
First thing you're going to do is pick 3 cards out of the deck and memorize the numbers and the suit. Make sure to write these down to help you. Leave the cards out of the deck and off to the side. The second thing you will be doing is splitting the deck into 4 piles. The first pile will have 14 cards. The second pile will have 15. The third pile will also have 15. And the fourth pile will have 5. Third, place one of the 3 cards on top of pile 1. Split pile 2 however you'd like and place that on top of pile 1. Next, place a second one of their cards on pile 2. Split pile 3 however you'd like and place that on top of pile 2. Next, place their third card on pile 3. Put pile 4 on top of this. You will now have 3 new piles. Put the right pile on top of the middle pile and the new right pile on top of the left pile. Next, say, "Watch for any of your cards. If you see them, please stop me." With your new deck, lay the cards face up and face down, alternating into 2 separate piles, always starting by placing them face up first. Do this until you run out of cards. In the next step, you will grab the pile that is face up and set it off to the side. Take the new face down pile and do the process again, starting with a face up card first. Get rid of the new face up pile. In the last step, you will continue doing this again and again until you are left with 3 face down cards. Flip those over, and those are the cards.